àwọn àgbà bọ̀ wọ́n ní kí sòbìà tó dégbò olúgòǹbé là á ké sí. Gbajúmọ̀ òṣèrébìnrin tíátà ilẹ̀ wa ìyẹn FATHIA Balógun ti fi gbé ta o. Ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè lórí aago táwọn alákòóso sinimá gbére rẹ̀ ìyẹn Fúróyè Tinubu sí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe sọ, ó ní aago 12 ọ̀sán, aago 9 alẹ́ ni wọ́n máa ṣàfihàn eré òun, èyí tó máa nira fún àwọn olólùfẹ́ òun láti wá wò, tó sì tún lè ṣàkóbá sí owó tóun máa pa ní sinimá. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
I've seen that come, and I've never done this in my entire life. But because this one involves a lot of millions, that's why I'm crying out to my fans. So please, maybe if you played, they will help me. I've been showing my movie, FATHIA the Unicorn, since May 1st. And I've been having issues with my showtime. I don't know. Cinemas are trying to kill this movie. I don't know why. I've been complaining about my showtime since I started showing this movie. And I actually connected this show, this cinema thing because of the layer involved in me. And this is the layer period where people will come out to watch movies. And they are giving me poor showtime. My fans are complaining that they go to the cinema and they get there, they cannot watch my movie, maybe because of the time. Or even some places, there is no showtime for me. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know why they are doing this to me. The way all movies that came out now spent a lot of money on their movies. That's the way I also spent a lot of money in this movie. Money is involved. I borrowed money. Investors are involved in the movie and they need to make their money back, collect their money back. But you're telling me now because my movie is 4 weeks old, you're giving me terrible showtime. When you know at this period I could actually make money. Because some of it just came out, so you want to put my movie at the back. Got so many messages from fans yesterday, got so many messages from my actors that went for meet and greet, and they treated so unfair. They will get to the cinema, you will tell them my movie is not showing anymore. You will give me a showtime of 12 noon. I don't know who goes out to watch a movie by 12 noon. Give me a showtime of 9 at night. I don't know who is going to watch a movie by 9 at night. The way you are giving this new movie good showtime, you didn't give me good showtime like that when I started showing my movie. My colleagues need to come and talk about showtime and cinemas. I used to think they were doing too much. Not until it is my turn now. Please beg them for me to give me good showtime. I don't know what this will cause, or whatever this will cause, I don't know. I don't really care. I'm sorry. If I'm angry, I mix my words together. You understand? Why do that to me? On salary period where people will come out to make money to sell their movies, and are doing this to my movie. I also spent a lot of money on this movie. I've heard about this from so many people, and they do this to people when you're in cinema. I didn't know they were going to do it to me. Kilode, I've been pleading and begging and praying and begging that people should at least consider me, give me good showtime this period, so I can at least make my own money. But because you are saying some movie came out, even managers in cinemas were so unfair to my actors, so unfair to me. I have to plead and plead and plead before they can give me a showtime. Now you are giving me just one showtime. In Ilea, you now cross your leg and tell me that the movie did not move, they didn't watch. My fans came out to watch my movie. When they even get to the cinema, they come out to watch my movie to ask that's what they want to watch. But because you give me nonsense, stupid, unfair showtime, they would have to go back. And when they get there,
ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu gbajúmọ̀ òṣèrébìnrin tíátà ilẹ̀ wa FATHIA Balógun lórí ohun tó ní àwọn alákòóso sinimá ṣe fún eré rẹ̀ Fúróyè nìkan tó gbé lọ sí sinimá. Kí lẹ̀yin rí sọ sí? Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ ní abala àríwí sí comment section. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ like subscribe fídíò wa. Ẹ ṣé gan-an ni fún àtìlẹ́yìn yín. A dúpẹ́ àmọ́ lóore.